Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is how to use Dinosaur Tea Party in your school or homeschool setting. In Dinosaur Tea Party, you have been invited to a very fancy tea party with dinosaurs. The problem is you don't know the other dinosaurs' names. So your job is to find out who all the people are very discreetly. This is a game for ages 7 and up, possibly maybe down to 5. You can play this in about 20 to 30 minutes, and you can play it with 3 to 5 people. As the students play, the number one thing they'll be practicing is their deductive reasoning skills as they try to figure out who the other players are in the table of various dinosaurs at this tea party. It's also a great opportunity to practice a foreign language, as you can ask simple questions of the other players and give simple responses in the language that they're learning. As tea is the topic of this game, it's a great opportunity to discuss tea rituals or tea parties in various countries and how those impact those cultures. You could also just take it in a more fun way. Maybe you could add a writing prompt about what would happen at a real dinosaur tea party, or what would it be like if dinosaurs were still around today. What is your favorite resource for covering tea or dinosaurs? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.